We're going to start with the overall branding. Click on Theme Settings in the left-hand side. Here, you can upload your store's logo. I recommend adding both your main logo and an inverse version. The inverse logo is used when your header is transparent so that your logo doesn't disappear against the background. I'm using a black logo for standard and a white version for transparent headers. While you're here, you can also pick your fonts and color scheme. If you're unsure about colors, a free site like coolors.co is super helpful for generating palettes. Try to base your color choices on your product packaging, logo, or general vibe. I'll stick with the default theme colors for now, but you can always change this later. As for fonts, I like using the Interfont, but you've got plenty of choices. Try a few out and see what feels right. Fonts are more important than people think. They can change the entire look and feel of your store. Next, let's configure the header. Click on the Header section in the left menu. This is where you control your logo placement and menu layout. I'll center the logo and leave the menu on the left, but you can play around with different arrangements. Now let's update your store's main navigation. Head back to your Shopify dashboard, and on the left-hand menu, click Content. Then go to Menus, and you'll see a list of your navigation options. Look for the one labeled Main Menu. That's the menu that controls the links at the top of your store. Click into it, and from here you can rename existing items, delete anything you don't need, like I'm removing Catalog and Contact, and add new links. For example, I'm adding one called Shop All and linking it to my full product list. Once you've made your changes, click Save and you're good to go. Back in the editor, let's build the homepage. The first thing visitors will see is the Hero banner. This is a large image or video with some text and a call to action button. I'm going to delete the default one and add a fresh Hero section. Go to Add section, then select something from the Banners category. I'll pick the default Hero banner for now. Upload an image that shows off your brand or a featured product. I'll use a lifestyle photo that fits the theme. Then use the positioning tool to make sure the focus is on your product or subject, especially on mobile. Now customize the layout. I'll align text to the left, adjust spacing between the headline, subheadline, and button, and pick a size that doesn't feel too cramped. Check the layout on mobile too, super important. Most people will visit your site from their phones, so make sure everything still looks great there. Let's add a split showcase next. I want shoppers to easily choose between girls and boys. Add a split showcase section, upload images for both sides, and label them. On the left, I'll pick an image and label it Girls. If the image crops weirdly, hit Edit Image and adjust the focal point until it looks clean. Make sure each image and button is clickable. Link them to their respective collections. Click on the image settings and set the links. Now let's move to the right side and repeat the same process. Click on the right block and upload an image that fits your boys category. And just like we did on the left, make sure to adjust the focal point of the image if needed. That way the subject stays nicely centered, especially on mobile or when the screen resizes. You want the focus to stay on the product or model, not off to the side or cropped out. Once that's done, change the label text to say Boys.